Hey, I've organized all my playlists on this channel so that you're able to easily find different types of shoes, different brands of shoes, as well as finding all my shoe battles, worth the price shoe reviews, etc., all in one place. Enjoy.
Welcome back. We have another unboxing video today with a pair of Alden 910s. Okay, 910HC. This is something that was created for us by Ealdwine in Raleigh, and really excited to open it up and take a look. They had actually asked for ideas on a new boot design, and I came up with this. This is a tanker boot. You can see the split toe there. This is in a really, really beautiful Loden suede, brass hardware, and you've got the Ealdwine mark at the bottom, and commando sole for Alden. Just very, very solid, just really great looking boot. I decided to go with the tanker instead of an Indy from my first Alden boot because I love split toes. And I just think that this is a very handsome boot. I think it's a very handsome color. The suede on this is incredible. And the lining on this, I mean, this feels like full grain leather. This is really, really nice. So can't wait to wear them, and I will share the video with you when I do. Thanks.